Some of these troops that amassed on the Ukrainian border used to be on the border with China, but Putin apparently doesn't feel that he needs to do that anymore. Are they really aligned against us?
Yeah, Joe, I think it's important. Go back and read that February 4th joint press announcement between President Xi and President Putin. And in it, they announced a new strategic partnership. And China tacitly endorsed Putin's move in the Ukraine. And Putin tacitly endorsed China's one China policy and condemned any kind of separatist talking about Taiwan. So I think that we're not dealing with a regional crisis anymore, number one, Joe. We're dealing with a global crisis now. China is going to watch very carefully what the U.S., U.K., and Europe does on the sanctions front. The initial sanctions we announced were extremely disappointing. If we're not willing to sanction, call it the big 8 banks in Russia, Putin himself, Lavrov, and others, and pull Russia off of the global SWIFT system, basically eliminating their ability to move dollars around the world, then that tells me that China has the green light to go take Taiwan. The
Taiwan question, more likely, less likely. I mean, China needs a global economy, or can it wait? Can it wait? Put off some of its aspirations in terms of its people, or they don't want to destabilize things worse than they already are, or are they're ready to go? They're ready to do it now since the getting is good. Maybe Taiwan.
You know, I think it's important to note that I've had a lot of conversations over the last few months with my colleagues in asset management, and many of the arguments, almost all of the arguments, begin with Putin won't invade Ukraine because it doesn't make economic sense. The sanctions will be crippling. I think what market participants need to basically they need to stop disassociate. They need to stop associating their investment needs with the economic decisions of these despotic leaders. These guys are not using economics to make their decisions here. These are national security decisions, and they're decisions where the history books are going to leave them.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.